All right, so we got some more questions about steep roofs. So this is a pretty darn steep roof. It's actually 3 stories. Getting up there is kind of a pain. I'm going to show you how I kind of do it, how I rope up, how I tie off on the roof anchor, and all that. So let's get after it. So getting the ladder set up, putting it in the bed of the truck so I can tie up to the ladder rack. The customer came out, this is actually the neighbor, and he wanted his gutters cleaned as well, so we gave him a quote and ended up cleaning his gutters as well. But yeah, so you guys can see I put the ladder into my truck bed and I'm able to kind of do that. So it reaches up there fine. I can tie up so the ladder's super stable. This is the best way I found. I've actually cleaned this roof and gutters before, but you can kind of see how steep this really is and how tall up there, because this is a 32-foot ladder and it barely reaches over the top. And so I got my roof anchor up there. All right, guys, so I guess some of the other videos I wasn't super clear what a roof anchor is. So this is just a piece of metal that goes into the top of the roof. And you have your harness, you have your lanyard here, just clip in. And a lot of roofs have these up here, at least where I live, especially when it's super steep. I mean, honestly, I would not clean that backside if there wasn't a roof anchor. There are ways around that. You know, we could get a longer ladder, put it on that side, and or you could find some other place to tie off. But I mean, at the end of the day, guys, if you guys don't want to do a roof, if it's too steep for you, if you're not comfortable doing it, do not do it. Always be safe and never do what you're not comfortable doing. So that is pretty much how I do it, and you know, that's how I do it. So again, guys, I want to point out that I've done this many times before. I know exactly what I'm doing. Be careful. If you're not comfortable doing it, do not get up there. Know exactly where you're putting your foot. Make sure the rope is you're not going to be tripping on it. And again, 99% of roofs are not this steep. Like most jobs that I do, don't have to be hanging from the side of the roof like that. So do not get that idea that this is going to be crazy hard. But if you don't want to do it, don't do it. The last time I cleaned this place, I did all 3 units, and it was about $1,200 to clean the roof, get some moss off, clean out the gutters. This time I just did the gutters on this one side, and it was about $500. So you guys can make some serious money if you're willing to put in the work, get after it, provide a result that other people don't want to do. It's as simple as that.